Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, after today's price movement, another downwards movement. So the bears took another bite out of things. And the first key update that needs to be made comes about just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, this 20-cent mark had been a good, successful area of support. But then early on in the day, when the price ultimately did break down through there, you can see that's what opened up the big floodgates of momentum, and down the price went. Now, to be fair, though, there was some nice glimmers of hope here. And the first glimmer was the fact, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but I'm sure if you've seen stocks where levels of support are broken, and then they just do this the remainder of the day. Just bleed and bleed and bleed. But that was not the case here, right? At least after that occurred, then over time, the price slightly made its way back upwards. So let me get this changed to green here to represent an area of support. Now, this is not some sort of, sign that therefore this thing is, about to skyrocket back up to, 50 cents. I'm not saying that. My point is it's a lot, it's much better. It's a lot better than seeing the price, just continue to bleed and bleed like some, charts do. As like I said, for those of you with more of a reference point with more experience, you know exactly what I mean. So that is definitely going to be the ideal level of support. I mean, if the price can stay above there, that's going to make it look the strongest. If it does not hold above there, then the next area to watch is going to be that pink line down there, which is the very famous 200 period moving average. And that is exactly where the price bounced off of right there. So good to see that level held. So all in all, though, trend line, ideal level of support, 200 period, definitely the must-hold level of support. From the resistance side of things, 20 cents, near-term area of resistance, and then this overarching trend line up here as the next key level of resistance. But yeah, rough day today. But like I said, some glimmer of hope, given the price started to trend back upwards. So we'll see if the price can build upon that momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.